But the 5 types of collagen is unique in that if you're over 50 or 60 and you're suffering with joint pain like I am, that's where this shines over the blue tub. I want to keep this real simple because until I did my research, I didn't know any of this. I started out with the blue tub and I used it. I've been using it for years and I've never seen the results that I'm seeing with this. And I can share with you now what the difference is between the 2 tubs. First off, this has 5 types of collagen. They both have 18 amino acids, and that's great. That's the stuff that keeps the collagen working. But the 5 types of collagen is unique in that if you're over 50 or 60 and you're suffering with joint pain like I am, that's where this shines over the blue tub. Not to mention it's cheaper. So I think of it like this. The blue tub is one-dimensional. It does one thing. This is multidimensional. This works on your hair, your nails, your skin, and your joints. Since I've been using this code age collagen, my joints, I don't wake up in the morning with stiff joints. And I use it by putting in 1 scoop in the morning in my cup of coffee. And then around 10 a.m., I use it for my 2nd cup of coffee. And I've been using it for 45 days. This is my 2nd tub, and I can show you what it looks like. It's just a powder. I got the unflavored. It has no scent. It doesn't change the way your coffee or your drink will taste. It dissolves beautifully, and it's non-GMO. It's soy-free, it's dairy-free, and it's gluten-free. And I have a very sensitive stomach, and it does not upset my stomach at all. I have been growing my hair for so long, and I'm finally starting to see results, and I'm starting to actually like the way my gray hair is looking. I don't know if the texture of my hair is because of this, but I can tell you that my joints feel better and my hair's growing out my head in places that, well, that's probably for another video because we don't want unwanted hair. But this right here coming up my forehead like that, that's brand new. And all these little baby hairs. My husband was like, your hair seems thicker. And his toenails, my fingernails, I don't have fingernails, but I do clip them every 4 days, it seems like. I'm like, what in the world is going on? I know as we age, we're looking for things that work. We're not looking for things that don't work. And we don't want to waste our money, especially in these days, right? This is cheaper, not by a lot, but by enough to make a difference. And I feel like this lasts longer. It's just a better product for me at the age of 60. I wake up feeling good. And so if you are like me and you're looking to simplify your life at this age, I understand. And that's what this video is about. And that's what my channel is about. So hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I will see you in my next video with more tips and tricks.